Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix. You need to restart your completion installation on FACEIT AC. Here's how to fix it. First, go ahead and right click on FACEIT and then click Run as Administrator. Permissions can block installation completion. Once you click on Run as Administrator, allow all prompts, restart when asked. Step 2, check pending Windows updates. FACEIT AC will not finish installing if Windows has pending updates. Open up settings, go to Windows Update, install all pending updates available. Restart when prompted. Step 3. Step 3. Fully reinstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. If the install is stuck, reinstall cleanly. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpo. Go ahead and press enter. Once you press enter, just go ahead and look for FACEIT AC. Once you found it, just go ahead and click on it and then uninstall. Once done, last thing we should do is remove any leftover file from FACEIT, as all files can trigger the restart loop. First, open up your file, this PC and then local to C, and then program files. On the program files, just go ahead and look for the FACEIT folder. Just go ahead and delete it entirely. To make sure, just go ahead and go to your recycle bin and then empty your recycle bin. After that, once you reinstall FACEIT, it should be working good as gold. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like on the video if it did. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.